This movie going to be blockbuster for sure, because they are the two primes star cast Vijay Sethupathi and Vijay Thalapathy on the board of the films, and the massive music of Ravichandran. So it's gonna be epic, yeah. It's gonna be it's already created the magic now internet. It is one of the most like teaser ever in India. So you can imagine that how gonna be its trailers. It's take times little bit, and the producers and makers, they want to release in the theaters because they don't want to mess the financial budgets, because they put in so much effort in this making these movies, so they want to return as well. So their planning is very effectively, and they break down the teasers after lockdown situation, so they can introduce the what's going their plannings to execute and releasing these movies. So they have a blast, bro, and this movie is gonna be super hit. And maybe everything is okay in India's the lockdown situations, and it opens all the theaters, so it's gonna be tough fight for the Bahubali records. So I can imagine that because of the movies and star cast and musics and everything is gonna be big, something big, and it's already smashed the internet, because it's everybody talking about this movie as the master, because the master performance becomes by the two Vijay Sethupathi and Vijay Thalapathy. They are gonna be sensational after this movie, I think, because this movie people's waiting so urgently, so they are gonna crazy, because in a lockdown situation the movie lovers are so depressed, and they are looking forward for good movies. There are so much lot online content, but their prime players like Vijay, the star mainstream cinemas superstars, they come on the boards, and they deliver the best. They know how exactly they impact their cinemas. So it's gonna be Apex movies, and urgently waiting for the trailer, and it's gonna be super hit. It's gonna be super hit. Master is a much anticipated movie in Tamil movies ever. People are urgently looking forward it, and after this lockdown situation, it's gonna be huge. It will be break the record of the Bahubali, something like that. This kind of range this kind of a range movie has, and that is very exciting. That is very exciting things about this movie, and the star cast is a huge, and the two supreme prime talented stars ever in this movie. That is two Vijay Sethupathi and Vijay Thalapathy. They are the one. Top-notch performance are in these movies, and of course it's gonna be blast. It's gonna be super blast. It's gonna be super blast, and super exciting to see both of them and opposite side. They are the hero and villain kind of movies. They are playing this in these roles. In this teaser, they are looking the Vijay Thalapathy is a college professor, something like that, and other side the Vijay Sethupathi is something like a gangster, and the backstory of these movies, they are the really good friends, and somehow they in early age something conflict between both of them, and they are masked, and they have to fight to each opponent, and that kind of things are messy. So there is so much drama, emotions, action, thrillers. You have to be everything you want in this movie. That's provide you, and this is gonna be best. This is people's want, and the film is very fully prepared, and Ravichandran music in this movie, that is so massy and so catchy. You can listen to his songs, and so massy and catchy songs. So I love it that, and he's on board join this movie, and that's one of the best. That is one of the best things you can do ever. These movies, and that is one of the best.